Okay, hello and welcome to Regent Phu Quoc Hotel. I'm just giving you a tour of one of the resort's incredible sky pool villas. So you'll see why it's so cold in just a moment. Firstly, walking through, you've got a very spacious guest WC here. Those are the electric Toto style toilets. Toiletries throughout are Aqua de Parma. There I am. Then you walk immediately into your living area, and I'm trying not to give it too much away just yet, but I think you got a glimpse of why this suite is so cold. So this is your spacious living area. You've got dining table for 4, lots of storage, very generous seating. This is a really social resort. It's great to get friends around. Then you've got a very well-equipped full kitchen, in fact, with a proper fridge freezer that you can see there in the corner. I don't think anyone uses it, but it's nice to have. It just goes to show how spacious these places are. Then you've got your wine fridge in there. They can arrange for chefs to come along. You've got tea and coffee making facilities. You have biscuits and nuts. Everything that's available here to consume is complimentary and it's replenished daily. Includes the snacks I just showed you, and also everything that's in this mini bar or maxi bar, including their house chocolate, milk, and dark, which I've been trying, beers, soft drinks, and so on. So that is the kitchen and living area. Then going in here to this beautiful bedroom, very cozy, great bedding. I've been sleeping really well. TV there. Then going in here, it's a little bit dark because I haven't turned the lights on. You have jewel vanities on either side. You have lots of bric-a-brac, toothbrush, shower kit, vanity kit, hairbrush, manicure set, mat washing there. They also do very generous provisions. You can get all of this stuff sent to the room. I'll just let you quickly look at that. So all this complimentary stuff. Then you can also get the humidifier, thermometer, and so on. Okay, put that down. Another Japanese toilet in there. Shower in there. It's too dark, I know, sorry. They have amazing bathrobes here. I'm just stepping out into the sunlight again so you can see such a nice pattern, very colorful and vibrant, great for pictures. And then the really cool part of the suite is that you have your own very generously sized and nice depth pool with daybed over there. We're on the 3rd floor right now. These suites, these villas go up to the 9th floor, and you get great views of the sea that improve and improve and improve the higher you go up. And this is also a west-facing resort, and as you can see, the sun is just about to set, so you can enjoy these amazing views from your own private pool within the Regent Phu Quoc Resort. A really fantastic property. There you have it.